Hello, my name is Stefano Sanidas, and now that we have looked at various other data types, let's talk about another data type, strings. Strings literals are one of the various sequence data types in Python. We will later look at the other sequence data types. This means that these data types are composed of various parts. In the case of string literals, a good comparison would be to think of string literals as a sentence and the parts that comprise it being the words or even the individual letters. Now, to write a string literal, there are several ways to do so in Python. We can do it with single quotes, double quotes, or triple quoted, which is not the same as triple quotes because there are no characters that are considered a triple quote. There's only a single quote character and a double quote character. So though triple quoted means something slightly different than the first two. So first, let's take a look at the first two. Now, single and double quotes, these are two very similar ways to write a string literal, and they each have a slightly different purpose. Single quotes are used so that inside of the text you can use double quotes and it will save a single variable, a single piece of data. For example, here we can see a string literal that says, and they say, comma, double quotes, hello. And in order to make those double quotes part of the string, we use single quotes to encase the entire string, and vice versa for using double quotes so that you can use single quotes inside of a string. Below, you can see two examples of things that would not quite work. They would save as two different strings. There are part of the text that is just like outside of any string literal, so it would mess up with the text editor that you're using to program. It wouldn't compile correctly. So there is a reason to use one or the other, but most of the time you can pretty much use them interchangeably, I would say. Now, unlike the two previous ways to create a string literal, this same method can be done with either single or double quotes. The triple quoted strings are strings that can span multiple lines of code with all the associated white spaces. I mean, like any space, any escape, any enter, all of that included in the string as one single string. Here I show two examples of triple quoted string literal. The first one is just a simple line of text encased in 3 pairs of single quotes, while below is an example of a long piece of text that encompasses several lines encased by 3 pairs of double quotes. Now, I would usually, when talking about other programming languages, not talk about strings yet. I would rather talk about the character data type, which is a very common data type in a lot of programming languages, but Python does not have a separate data type for a single character. Instead, what would usually be seen as a character in other programming languages, such as the letter A, is just seen as a string. No matter how short or long it is still a string. And as said before, strings are a sequence data type, and just like many other sequence types, you can get a specific part of it. In this case, a specific part of the text. For example, let's say I have a variable named text, and inside of that variable I have the text hello world, but I want to just access the first letter. I would call text being the name of the variable, and in square brackets I would put number 0 because the number 0 points to the leftmost character. And this numbering goes from 0 onwards from the leftmost character to the right. So another example, the third character in a string, like the first L in hello world, I would be returned by text square brackets 2. And that's everything. Thank you.